All right, working on a Cat 140 M3 motor grader. Customer, 2 complaints. 1, it won't start. 2, the last time they were running it and trying to cut blue tops, he said the operator said he couldn't keep the blade was traveling up and down. He didn't understand why. So I get here, I start checking the circle and everything, clean off some dirt, and look at that. Look at all this play in here. So this is all part of the circle itself, and you're supposed to have a wear shim in here. So I look inside the cab just for fun. There it is. This is supposed to be sitting with the long side of the back, and this is supposed to be at a 90, sitting like that, so these 3 bolts can keep it tight. Well, if these are out, that means this blade's traveling up and dirt's getting packed underneath on that bottom shim as well. So hopefully they haven't eaten to the circle too much, and we can just replace all these shims, top and bottom, on both sides. We'll get some new end plates as well. That's problem number 1 solved. Problem number 2, won't start. Check battery voltage, all that's good. Check the batteries, there's nothing wrong. 25.2 starter. Got my ground set up in there already. Look at that, holding 24 volts. Just clicking. So this starter is going to need to be either rebuilt or replaced. Machine's got 3,500 hours on it, so that's the factory starter. It's pretty good. All right, y'all have a good day.